We're eagerly anticipating the official launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series on January 17. While it hasn't been released yet, there's been plenty of online chatter and leaks about its potential features and capabilities. Although we can't be entirely certain about all the details, some reliable sources have shared some general information about what we can expect. Let's delve into some of the speculated features of the Samsung S24 Ultra and how it might compare to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. 1. Camera advancements. A significant factor driving smartphone purchases is camera quality. Apple has been a leader in this department, but Samsung may have some tricks up its sleeve for the S24 Ultra's camera. Rumors suggest it could boast a whopping 200 megapixel primary camera, far surpassing the iPhone 15 Pro Max 48 megapixel main camera. However, more megapixels don't always translate to better photo quality. The true test will be in real-world photo performance. Where Samsung might excel is in video capabilities, with reports suggesting the S24 Ultra could record 4K videos at 120 frames per second, a step up from the Pro Max. 2. Superior display. When it comes to the display, the S24 Ultra seems to have an edge. It's expected to feature a slightly larger screen than the Pro Max with a 144Hz refresh rate. This means smoother visuals and potentially a better viewing experience. While Apple has caught up with 120Hz refresh rates, Samsung's 144Hz display could set it apart. 3. AI integration. The S24 Ultra is shrouded in mystery when it comes to its use of artificial intelligence (AI). While it's confirmed that AI will play a significant role in the S24 series, the specifics remain unclear. Leaks suggest potential features like live language translation and advanced AI-based photo editing. If implemented effectively, this could put the S24 Ultra on par with Google's Pixel 8 in terms of AI capabilities, potentially surpassing what the Pro Max offers. It's important to note that the superiority of the S24 Ultra over the Pro Max is subjective and depends on individual preferences. Not everyone may fully appreciate generative AI features, and some might view them as novelties rather than practical tools. However, Samsung's advantage in this area is that it offers something Apple currently does not, which could sway some users. Samsung is currently accepting pre-reservations for the Galaxy S24 series. If you're considering an upgrade, you can visit Samsung's official website to pre-reserve the device and receive a $50 credit, which could come in handy when purchasing the phone. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is poised to offer a fresh design, improved durability, brighter displays, and enhanced hardware. While it may not compel S23 Ultra owners to rush for an upgrade, it's an excellent choice for those with older smartphones or those considering their first S-series phone. As we approach the launch, more details may emerge, and we'll continue to share them as they become available. Don't forget to subscribe for future updates, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more information. Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 GB of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5,000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.
Hold me close till I get up.